Hi everyone! Today is a very exciting day for me. Being a first-generation college student and a graduate student, I'm very excited for not only the things we've all done, but all the amazing things we'll do in the future.
Family, friends, loved ones, and of course, our graduating class of 2026. Congratulations.
Today is our graduation from medical school. It's the culmination of several years of hard work and support from our loved ones, family members, friends, mentors, who are able to help us reach this stage of our lives.
It's emotional, exciting. We're all feeling a bit of relief, but some nerves. It's a big responsibility. Going out there with this new title where you feel like you're just a baby and then all of a sudden you have these big responsibilities. But I think when we reflect back and what we'll see today is that everyone's ready and equipped, and we just have to learn to trust ourselves.
I'm feeling really excited, grateful, and proud to be here today. And I think it's a really wonderful day to be able to celebrate with our peers at the School of Medicine.
This is a bit of an odd moment to be coming into medicine as a practitioner with everything going on in our world, but I think it's also a really exciting opportunity to go out in the world and rebuild trust with communities. I'm excited to go on and try to protect all of my patients and other people that need us looking out for them.
Medicine is not a solo race. It is long, unpredictable, and sometimes overwhelming. Today is not just a finish line. It's proof that none of us got here alone. And if these past 3 years taught us anything, it's this. We didn't just run this race, we ran it together.
There is no better way to spend your life than caring for humanity, than ensuring the well-being of others, than keeping patients alive and healthy. AI will never replace that.
You leave here not only as scientists and clinicians and policy experts and translators, but as essential voices at a moment when trust, expertise, and human connection all feel increasingly fragile. You are all healers. And what our country, our world, our public life need right now are healers. That charge now belongs to you, and I know we're in good hands. Congratulations, class of 2026.
Your achievements and the incredible places you will reach and to which you will guide others are what give me great hope and optimism for the future.
Congratulations to the Stanford Medicine class of 2026.